Thank yourself for making some time to just be still and be mindful of what's going on in your mind and body. Use these few minutes to just relax and to reconnect with yourself. Start by sitting in a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and breathing in and breathing out slowly. Relax your mouth, your jaw, your chest, your whole body, and begin to focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Allow the air to gently flow through and notice a sense of calm as you breathe in and out. Release all the tension and stress that you are feeling and let go of any other thoughts that you have. Allow your mind to be silent. Allow your body to relax. And just focus on listening to the sound of your breath. Our breath is constant and reliable. It reminds us to be mindful of what is happening in the present moment. It helps us to find peace within. Allow that peaceful feeling flow through you. Allow it to be felt by your mind and your whole body. As you continue breathing in and out, take a moment to remind yourself that your mind and body are miracles and gifts. The mind is the instrument through which you form your imagination and develop your creativity. The body is the vehicle through which you have the privilege of experiencing this beautiful world. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Then move to your body and your surroundings. And on your own time, slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. And when you are ready, you can now gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day. Om Shanti.